Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Are you looking for some insulated cups that keep your beverages cold but still won't break on you? Look no further. These insulated beer mugs from Amazing Abbey are exactly what you're looking for. They are perfect for when you're out on the deck with company or when you're around the bonfire drinking beer with your friends. They're going to keep your beverage cold and they're not going to break even if you get a little tipsy and drop them. Actually, I tried to drop one to see if it was actually durable and it did not break, and that was fantastic. I've got kids, we use them at dinner time, and I know when they drop them, they're not going to break. I did a little experiment to see just exactly how insulated it really was and how well it kept my beverage cold. So I poured some Coke into a regular beer glass and then one into these new insulated ones, and then I timed it, and this was it after about 30 minutes. I timed it again after an hour, and you can see that the ice in the insulated cup was there well after an hour, and that the ice in our usual beer mug is all kinds of melted. So I loved the results from this. You know that your beer is going to stay cold, which is something that everybody needs in life. Another thing I really liked about it is that our regular beer mug, there was a lot of condensation, a lot of water there, but this insulated one was bone dry. That was a fantastic thing. You're not going to leave water marks or stains on your furniture. I also love that these are dishwasher safe. I put them several times in my dishwasher on the top rack, and they always come out looking just fine. I love these cups. I have finally found something to keep my beverages cold that's not going to break on me. But that's just my point of view.